This right here is CNC Labs Automatic Tool Changer, or ATC. If you're tired of doing bit changes by hand for every single tool path, this thing's about to make your life a whole lot easier. The 2.2 kilowatt spindle's got some serious muscle, high torque, even at low speeds, so it cuts clean and steady no matter what you're running it through. And check this out, the tool rack holds up to 12 tools. The best part is, it's smart enough to know when one rack comes out and then when it's back in, which is perfect for when you need to pass material through. No extra setup, no guesswork, it just updates automatically. It's air-cooled but super quiet, only about 60 decibels. You'll hear your shop radio before you hear this thing running. It hooks up to pretty much any air compressor on the market. The air handling is fully integrated, no special fittings, no crazy hookups, just plug it in and go. Inside G-Sender, you'll get a full visual of your tool rack. You can see which tool is where, reassign, rename. No more wondering, which tool is number 5 again? It's simple to set up too. There's an integrated tool stud sensor which helps set up the racks and prevents tool crashes. With the included tooling sensor, there's no need to re-zero between tool changes. And for the advanced users, there's multiple ways to manage your offsets to suit your workflow. Temperature, position, and pressure sensors are all built in. That means reliable, worry-free cutting every time you hit start. Not using the rack, or do you want to change a tool manually? Boom, push of a button, you're in hands-on mode. You can grab a 6 or 12 tool setup or the spindle by itself. Perfect for a one-man garage or if you're crunching out production jobs. And it's plug and play with any AltMill CNC. No extra wiring, no extra setup, just bolt it on, plug it in, and start cutting. CNC's automatic tool changer will help you work smarter and cut faster. Once you try the ATC, you won't want to go back.